Hello, students of Std-9. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Montbretia. I am here with your Social Science History Chapter 3, same chapter, Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. See, my dear students, I think you people, first of all, history is a boring subject for each and every students. And now you have to study it in this YouTube online channels. Whether whichever you do not understand, you cannot ask the teacher. It is a one-side teaching. But I insist you, I tell you, I request you to watch the videos properly because I am taking the chapter point wise, paragraph wise. I am explaining it in details according to the point what it is mentioned in the book. I am taking one topic and I am discussing in that slowly. One chapter I am taking several days to discuss. Why? Only because you should understand the topics. And those important topics, whichever I am discussing, those are very important for you to know because it has some resemblance with the next class of your standard 10, which is a board examination class. So you must watch the video very nicely, topic wise. Don't get bored. The video is maximum of 10 to 9 minutes, less than 9 minutes. So you do watch these videos properly and try to understand the meaning of the topic. But suppose you do not understand how to ask, you just keep it in your diary or in your copy, rough copy, be written the date and the topic which I have taught and you have not understood. In the regular class, I will clarify your doubts. Okay, my dear students. Now, today my topic will be what are the peculiar features of Nazi thinking? Nazi party, you know, Hitler's party, he was very cruel. And what was his thinking? What was his way of thinking to rule the country of Germany? What was his thinking? Very important 4 marks questions sure to come. See, I am explaining you point wise. The peculiar feature of Nazi thinking, this is the topic. There was no equality between people. In Nazi parties, during the Nazism, Hitler's time, there were no equality between people, but only a racial hierarchy. Racial hierarchy means there was a difference in races, caste, religion, like this. In this view, blue-eyed Nordic German, that is, Aryans were at the top and Jew and others were at the lowest rung. They have been called as colored. Only Aryans were allowed to live in the country. They get all facility during the Nazi party. And all others were considered to be inferior and they have been ignored. Even they have been put to death. Final decision, this is called. They are using very good languages to explain what is death. They are telling, give them final destination or decision and put them into death. Different ways, in gas chamber, in other ways by electric shock. In this way, they have been put to death. All others except Aryans. The Aryans race was the finest race according to them. It had to retain its purity, become stronger and dominate the world. According to Nazi party, Hitler, only Aryans are allowed to live and they should be lived very nicely. They should be well fed. They should be strong strong not only by physically, by mentally also. And they should dominate the world. They have to be prepared in such a way that they can dominate the world. Next, Nazi glorified war. Nazism always thought of war, always think about war, always very eager to do war. Their only aim was to unite all people of the Aryan race under one state, that is Germany. They only wanted that all Aryan people should be in one place and they should fight for Germany. And only Aryans will be allowed to live in Germany, all others will be eliminated from the country. Hitler. Hitler believed that new territories, whichever he will capture, new places wherever they will do war and capture those, had to be acquired for settlement. There, the people will settle there. This would enhance the area of the mother country, means the area of the mother country will be enhanced, and it will increase. Now, Germany will not be like only small place to live in. It should be enhanced, it should be spread out. While enabling the settlers on new lands to retain an intimate link with the place of their origin. It would also enhance the material resources and power of the German nation. It has been told that new territories whichever will be captured, people will go there and live. But they should have a good link with the German people who are living in original Germany. Nazis wanted only a society of pure, healthy Nordic Aryans. Only they wanted pure Aryans, those who are pure Aryans, those who are good looking, solid, strong, they should only remain in the Germany country. They alone were considered desirables. They were considered desirables, and all other peoples were called undesirables. And they were asked to increase in population, only Aryans. This meant that even those German who were seen as impure or abnormal had no right to exist. Suppose some Aryan child has born, but that child might be some type of mentally or physically disturbed. So those child will be eliminated. This child will be immediately killed. They will not allowed to live long. Nazis hated Jews. They hate that caste, that religion, that society, community, Jews. They terrorized and pauperized and segregated them and compelled them to leave the country. Means Nazi people, they separated Jews and they compelled them to leave the country or to die there. They were not allowed to live or mix with the Aryans. You will not even identify who are Aryans or who are Jews. If two child of the Aryan and Jews stand here side by side, you cannot understand who is Aryan, who is Jews. But they will identify, they will verify, and if whoever is found Jews, they will be eliminated. Finished. Children were taught to be loyal and submissive, hate Jews and worship Hitler. Even the children of Aryans were taught to be submissive, aggressive, cruel. They have taught that you should hate Jews. Whoever Jews is there, you hate them, even you beat them, kill them. Nothing will be happen to them. And they told them to hate Jews. While boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and steel hearted, girls were told that they had to become a good mother and rear pure blooded children. The boy children were taught to be submissive, aggressive, strong, and to the girls they have told you should be rear, means you should give birth only to good Aryans. And if you do not give good birth to the good Aryans, you will also not be allowed to remain. Suppose my child is Aryan, and if my child mix with the Jewish people, it is not the fault of the child, it is the fault of the mother. Mother will be penalized. So this is the peculiar features of Nazi thinking. Okay, peculiar features what Nazi think, that only one community will be there in the country, that is Aryans. And if the children of Aryans mix with the Jews, their parents will be penalized, punished. Okay, thank you.